Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is January 7th, 2015, and today is Wednesday. So looking at the markets today, let's first look at the economic calendar. Some major news coming out today. USD, ADP, employment change. This is preliminary numbers. So that's coming out earlier today at 3:15, and then at 3:30 USD. Trade balance, and then the CAD trade balance coming out later then. And then this evening, USD Fed chairman will be having a meeting, FOMC meeting, first of the year, should have an impact on the markets. Looking at the Euro USD, as it stands, we were incorrect yesterday, saying that maybe we were going into some sort of a channel here, maybe we were bottoming off, and you see that that's not true. We broke this level at 1889, and now we're trading at 1839, and that's a new low for the Euro USD. I mean, you know, this thing could continue going down all the way down to the 114, 100 level, even to 1. I mean, if it continues to break this, and it looks like it's breaking it down at the 116 level, we could see certainly it touching at 107, which is like a huge correction for the Euro USD, at least, you know, in the past 5 years, past 10 years even. So that's something that needs to be spoken about. I mean, we're thinking down because it sold off so sharply, and it's not, you know, it's not giving up. Okay, the bars are still very long. And there are a significant amount of sellers in the market. Looking at some of the other markets, GBP USD also new lows. Trading at 151. Looking at an 8-hour chart, looking at a daily chart, we're making new lows in this. Okay, so technically speaking, we're also at another threshold for the GBP USD trading here at 150. If we break this 150 level, we could certainly go see it testing 140 level again. So, you know, this is a major rotation for the GBP USD. Looking at some of the other markets, USD Swiss franc, all-time highs, retraced a little bit, but still dead highs. Okay, this is still considered pretty high. You know, this is on a minute chart. Looking at an 8-hour chart, look at where we are. You know, we're through the roof here. Okay, we haven't seen these levels in, you know, in a very, very long time. So, you know, if we break this upside, we could continue and maybe challenge the next spot at 112. So that's something to really consider. Looking at the Dow Jones bouncing here a little bit yesterday after this massive sell-off of 700 and something points. And, you know, it'll be interesting to see how this is going to turn out, because there is a little bit of a level here when we sold off in October. When we sold off in December, that we can bounce from. Looking a little bit longer, let's see, from when we sold off in October. This was our sell-off in October. You saw that, you know, as quickly as it went down, it came right back up, and that's what I anticipate will happen here with the Dow Jones. I don't think that we've hit the top yet. I think we're going to challenge it again, and we're gonna be a little bit bouncy until we do challenge it on the upside. But I think we're going to challenge it on the upside again. Looking at oil continues to falter under $50 a barrel. That's a major threshold. Okay, where is the end to this bottom? It's a good question. I don't know. If we all knew that, that would be the crystal ball. But we have to look for areas of when it's going to consolidate, when it's going to firm up a little bit, so that we can anticipate its next rally. So keep an eye on all these factors going into this week. Some major stuff coming out.